When living in New Orleans, homeowners know that rain is a frequent occurrence. The city's tropical climate and unpredictable weather patterns mean that protecting your home from the elements is crucial. One of the most effective ways to enhance your home's ability to handle rain while allowing for natural ventilation is by installing awning windows. These windows not only offer great functionality, but they also provide the necessary protection from rain without compromising airflow or natural light. In this article, we will explore how awning windows provide protection from rain in New Orleans homes, and why they are an excellent choice for homeowners looking for both protection and ventilation. The unique design of awning windows. Awning windows are hinged at the top and open outward, creating an awning-like effect that allows air to flow in while keeping rain out. This unique design makes them ideal for homes in New Orleans, where the frequent downpours can be problematic for traditional windows. Whether you're dealing with heavy rainfall or light showers, awning windows can remain open, offering fresh air circulation while preventing water from entering your home. Rain protection. Because awning windows open outward from the top, they allow rainwater to flow downward and away from the window. Even during a rainstorm, the slanted angle of the window keeps water from coming inside. This feature makes them perfect for areas where you want to keep windows open for fresh air but want to avoid the water damage caused by rain. Optimal airflow. Awning windows still provide excellent ventilation while offering protection from rain. The outward opening design allows air to flow through the top portion of the window, bringing fresh outdoor air into your home. In a humid climate like New Orleans, it's crucial to allow air circulation to prevent indoor moisture buildup, and awning windows make this possible even when it's raining. Ideal for humid and rainy environments. New Orleans' climate is characterized by high humidity and frequent storms, making it necessary for homes to have windows that can withstand wet conditions without compromising ventilation. Awning windows are particularly well suited for this type of environment because they prevent mold and mildew. Without proper ventilation, moisture buildup can cause mold and mildew to grow in your home. Awning windows help control the humidity levels inside by allowing fresh air to circulate freely while preventing water from entering. This helps keep your home dry and comfortable, even in wet weather. Avoid water damage. Traditional windows can be vulnerable to water damage when opened during a rainstorm. Awning windows, however, offer protection from water infiltration, reducing the risk of water stains, rot, or damage to your window frames. This can be particularly important for areas like living rooms, kitchens, or basements, where water exposure can cause significant problems. Perfect for high-rise and ground-level installations, awning windows are versatile and can be installed in a variety of locations around the home, whether on the ground floor or higher levels. Their ability to open outward without posing a risk of water damage makes them an excellent choice for basements and lower levels. Many homes in New Orleans have basements or lower levels that are prone to water infiltration during heavy rainfall. Installing awning windows in these areas can help improve ventilation while still protecting the space from moisture. Upper-level windows. Awning windows are ideal for second-story or higher windows because they can be opened without posing a risk of letting rainwater into the home. This makes them a great option for attic spaces, bedrooms, or bathrooms, where you want to keep windows open for ventilation without having to worry about the rain. Durability in the face of frequent rain. In a city like New Orleans, windows need to be able to withstand the effects of heavy rainfall, humidity, and occasional storms. Awning windows are built to be durable and resistant to moisture, providing lasting protection against the elements. Many awning windows are made from materials like fiberglass, vinyl, or aluminum, which are resistant to rust, warping, and rotting, making them a reliable option for homeowners concerned about long-term durability. Low maintenance. Because awning windows don't allow water to seep through, they're easier to maintain and less prone to water-related damage. Materials like vinyl or fiberglass are resistant to the wear and tear caused by moisture, and the design of the window helps prevent rain from coming into direct contact with the frame, keeping the window looking and functioning well for years. Enhanced energy efficiency. Besides offering rain protection, awning windows can also contribute to your home's energy efficiency. When properly installed, these windows can help maintain a comfortable indoor climate by reducing air leakage and improving insulation. Energy savings. Awning windows are designed to provide a tight seal when closed, which helps prevent drafts and air leaks. In a climate like New Orleans, where cooling costs can be high in the summer, energy-efficient windows help reduce the workload on your air conditioning system and save on utility bills. Seasonal comfort. During the milder seasons, when rainstorms are frequent but temperatures are moderate, opening your awning windows allows for a natural flow of fresh air, reducing the need for air conditioning and promoting a more comfortable living environment. Style and aesthetic appeal. In addition to their practical benefits, awning windows can also enhance the aesthetic appeal of your home. Their unique design offers a modern, clean look that complements both traditional and contemporary homes in New Orleans. Awning windows are available in various finishes and materials, allowing homeowners to select the style that best suits their home's overall design. Conclusion. Why awning windows are the ideal choice for your New Orleans home? Awning windows are a perfect solution for homeowners in New Orleans who want to enjoy fresh air and ventilation while staying protected from the rain. These windows are designed to provide continuous airflow, prevent water infiltration, and improve energy efficiency, making them an ideal choice for homes in a humid and rainy climate. If you're looking for a window style that offers rain protection without compromising ventilation or aesthetics, consider installing awning windows in your home. Whether you're replacing old windows or installing new ones, these windows will help keep your home dry, comfortable, and energy efficient.